Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cut power at the breaker or unplug the unit so there's zero voltage present. Next, secure a helper and position towels on the sill and floor to catch water and debris. You'll appreciate that later. Remove any security brackets or fasteners on the sides and lift the interior window sash free if required. Keep screws in a container. Once done, loosen the front grille to access mounting screws while your helper supports the cabinet weight so nothing drops. You now detach the mounting hardware methodically. Remove the bracket screws securing the chassis to the frame, and don't let the unit tilt suddenly. Make sure your helper supports the cabinet from outside while you loosen the rear mounting bolts. Tilt the unit forward just enough to drain condensate into the towel. Once free, slide the chassis out on the track or sill, supporting it at all times. If there's foam insulation or a foam seal, cut carefully to avoid tearing the frame. Finish by cleaning the sill and removing old sealant. Install new foam or a fitted panel and weather stripping so you don't lose energy efficiency. Recheck the window balance and ensure the circuit is still off while you handle electricals. Once everything's sealed, restore power to test if removing caused any issues elsewhere. If the unit was stuck, try removing any remaining internal frame screws and pry gently with a putty knife while your helper steadies the cabinet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.